am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Drawing the breath in, drawing the breath in. Rest. Be at peace inside yourself and rest inside yourself. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Awareness. These are keys that open your senses, that open your connectors to the body. You have heard of the 12-strand DNA. Those 12 strands of the DNA begin to activate and open, and the 12 centers of awareness open into your being. The 12 centers of awareness. I am aware. Simply begin to mentally repeat, I am aware. You, my friends, are aware of your multidimensional nature. It sparks, it comes, it reminds you to be fully present in the moment. It reminds you to relax and let go. It reminds you that you are loved and you are love. It reminds you of the power of love. It reminds you of eternity in a moment. It reminds you of the impermanence of this physical form that seems so solid. Breathe into your body and bring in the energy of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain. So much goes on your planet. So many parts of you are aware, and yet the full awareness has not brought you into the fullness of your divine nature as of yet. You become aware in certain areas. You become aware in certain spaces of light within your being. You become aware and have these small epiphanies, these rippling awarenesses moving through you and popping like so many lights bursting. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Awareness, full presence in the moment is very challenging for the human being. You have been caught so much in the past and so much in worries of the future that the now has not been part of the race's reality. The now, the fully present in the moment now, you are beginning to understand with your awareness, with your nature that is accepting itself as divine. The awareness begins to open up of every moment, and in every given moment you see the perfection, the purity, and the light. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame.